I request all the faculty members to kindly turn your videos on and audios off. A warm and delightful morning, everyone. I am Akanksha Mani.
And I am Rohit Guge.
We are your hosts for today's celebration. On behalf of the entire, sorry, ma'am. On behalf of the entire NSS unit of SPOE, we heartily welcome you all. Our respected principal ma'am, teachers, dignitaries, and all my dear friends. A happy Teachers' Day to all you beloved teachers. How different is this morning?
Indeed, very wonderful.
Dear audience, you will yourself discover all the colors of this event embellish us all together. We have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers are nation builders. They spread the light of education and knowledge all around. So let's start today's program.
It is important to remember Almighty before any event. So, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha.
That was a lovely start to our program. So Rohit, tell me, do you know why we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September?
Yes, I think किसी का तो बर्थडे होता है ना आज.
Yes, right. Every year on September 5th, it is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first vice president and second president of independent India. During his tenure as a president of India, his students and friends requested him to celebrate his birthday. He said, instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day. Since then, his birthday has been observed as Teachers' Day.
Teachers can change lives with just a right mixture of chalk and challenges. In the honor of respected teacher, we would like to introduce Sneha, who is going to talk more about it. Sneha, come on. Yes, Sneha, am I audible to you? Yeah, Sneha, am I audible to you? Yes, Sneha. So I think there is some connection problem with Sneha. She will join us later. So
Yes.
now, yes.
Moving on, Victor Hugo once said, music expresses that which cannot be said and on which it is impossible to be silent. So I hope Siddhi Jadhav can help us express our gratitude towards our beloved teachers in a better way. Siddhi?
Yes.
Start your poem. Start your song.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं, वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। थँक यू.
वा सिद्धी, खूप छान, मस्त
वा.
झालं तुझं गाणं.
So now let's do some fun. So चलो टीचर्स डे के ओकेजन पे हमारे टीचर हमेशा ओरल लेते हैं, राइट? सो आज उनके टीचर्स डे पे हम उनसे कुछ बात कर लेते हैं. सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू टू बिकम अ टीचर? Anyone can answer, any faculty can answer, just unmute yourself. Okay? Yes, I will repeat my question. My question is, what inspired you to become a teacher? Any faculty can answer. Hello? Yes, Arpita ma'am, will you answer the question? Hello? I will repeat my question. My question is, what inspired you to become a teacher? So any faculty or teacher can answer the question. Yes, any faculty over there? जोशी सर, आप बता दीजिए. हेलो, एनके जोशी सर.
Okay.
Yes.
Welcome to all my faculty members and our teachers and our principal madam and all HODs. So
Yes, thank you, sir.
and deans and our all dear students so who are celebrating this Teachers Day. So
Yes, sir.
basically, when we think about our teachers, so our inspiration thing is to, when we think about our country, so first in our mind to build up our student, because student is the next generation. Okay.
Right, sir.
If we build them very well, so they will be our we can say our future of our country. So
Right,
and
sir.
that way we have always inspire our student will do better for than us. We always think our students always do more than us. So this is we can expect from the inspirations word or from the our all faculty members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your sharing your thoughts, sir. Thanks a lot. Okay, then my next question is, who was your best teacher you had? Any of the faculty can answer. Just we want to know, means what was our teacher's favorite teacher and how was their connection with teachers at their time. So anyone can answer. Anyone can answer.
Hello, good morning. I
Yes,
would like
thank
to
you.
say something.
Yes, sir.
I
Go
will
ahead.
add to that question also, which you asked earlier, that what has inspired you to
Yes,
become a
sir.
teacher.
Yes, sir.
So, like you, I myself also had very good teachers during my childhood,
Okay, sir.
and they were full of energy all the time when we saw them, and that used to what to say, it used to be a very energetic atmosphere. And
Yes.
what I thought, ki maximum energy, or you can say positive energy, we can get in this particular profession only. And today I am getting from all of you.
Yes, sir.
So that I think made me to enter into the teaching profession. So I thanks to all the positive energy holders, our stakeholders, students. So from where we get a lot of things, and we try to return to them also.
Thank you, Dinesh sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are moving to the next session. So now some of the NSS volunteers would like to present poems for all the teachers. Okay, Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found words. With that being said, we would like to welcome Shruti to dedicate a poetry to our beloved teachers. So, Shruti, come on. Shruti
Good
Sangre.
morning, good morning, respected HODs and all my beloved teachers. I know your contribution to our life is priceless, but still, to give a token of thanks, I have written some lines for you. A soul so gentle and kind, positivity resides in their mind. Love in their veins floats as water in the stream flows. A soul with caring nature, God's prolific creature, works with honesty, admires our creativity. You're such a wonderful teacher, for all it is plain to see. I just wanted to let you know how much you're meant to me. Thanks for teaching us in amazing ways. For all of this, you deserve much of praise. Thanks for putting wonderful things in our head. Being your students, we are truly blessed. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti Sangre. It was a great poem. Thank you, Master Sali poem. Okay, so we would like to call Swarangi Mumbaikar to dedicate a poetry again to our beloved teachers. So come on, Swarangi.
Good morning to one and all present over here. I'm Swarangi Mumbaikar from SA Civil. Today, on this auspicious day, I'd like to recite a few lines as a token of gratitude. Teachers are all so friendly, they handle us with care. To defy their instructions, we would never dare. They selflessly help us and guide in this path of fruitful ride. To fill us with enormous pride, for the words they say are never died. In this journey to become an engineer, please help us to get our backlogs clear. Knowing that you will always cheer, we are blessed to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you, Swarangi. It was a great poem. Relatable hoti baat. Okay, and right now I will request Sushti Thavi to felicitate a principal ma'am.
Good morning, everyone present over here, and happy Teachers' Day. She is a woman of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge and inspiration to all of us. Let's welcome the one who neither cares about night nor day when it comes to quality education. Indeed, she is none other than our beloved principal, ma'am, Dr. Manjusha Deshmukh, ma'am. So it is my honor, more than a pleasure, to welcome our respected principal, ma'am, the sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar, and navigator of this flagship of knowledge. Ma'am, I would request you to speak a few words about Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Srushti, for a wonderful introduction.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you
Happy
so
Teachers'
much.
Day, ma'am.
So on this Teachers' Day occasion, first of all, I want to wish all my COE teachers a very, very happy Teachers' Day. See, when we, in the February, when we celebrated Nakshatra with full energy, we never thought that now onwards we have to celebrate every occasion with distance. And it's difficult, the teaching as well as learning online, both are difficult. We know the way you students are facing problem in learning online, we the teachers are also facing it equally challenging for us to teach online with full efficiency. But still, we are giving our 100%. I know all the teachers of college are giving their 100%. So I appreciate on this occasion, and thank you very much for the dedication. And students, I really miss the personal interaction with you. I'm really missing you all. I really missing participating your social activities and other activities, interacting with you, scoldings, and datna, padhana. I'm missing everything. So that's it.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you. So, ma'am, let's move to the next poem. We would like to call Shashank Gowda to dedicate a poetry to our beloved teachers in Hindi. Come on, Shashank.
आए हुए सारे गुरुजनों को मेरा प्रणाम। मैं शशांक गौड़ा इस शिक्षक दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर मेरी भावनाओं को कुछ पंक्तियों के माध्यम से व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ। कोरा कागज सा अनजान में आया, मुझको अपना शिष्य सा बनाया, कलम का सही महत्व समझाया, ये कौन है जो रब सा आया, ज्ञान के दीपक को मुझ में जलाया, उनकी छाया में योग्य बनाया, सही गलत का फर्क बताया, ये कौन है जो रब सा आया, सही मार्ग पर चलना सिखाया, अपने सपनों को सच करवाया, हमारे जीवन को नया अर्थ दिलाया, ये कौन है जो रब सा आया, अल्केन अल्कीन का मतलब समझाया, हर सेम में नया पाठ पढ़ाया, हमारी इंजीनियरिंग को आसान बनाया, ये कौन है जो रब सा आया, ब्रह्मा विष्णु और महेश्वरा का दर्जा पाया, अब जाके शिक्षक कहलाया, और मेरे इन सारे शिक्षकों तथा गुरुजनों को मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। थैंक यू।
very well शशांक, you have been तू तुझे जे शब्द आहेत त्याच्या थ्रू
बहुत
सगळ्यांना
अच्छा.
तुझे बहुत अच्छा. Okay, so we will move to the next session. The next session will be again an interactive session. I will ask questions to our teachers and they will reply. Okay, they can answer by unmuting. Okay, next question is, which moment you feel proud of being a teacher? Which moment you feel to be a proud of teacher? Okay, any faculty can answer.
Okay, I will answer this question.
Yes. Shitak ma'am, go ahead.
Yeah, the moment of proud for all of us is that which we experience. Like some students are there in the class, and we always want. They are little bit naughty, so what we do, we ask them questions frequently. Okay,
Yes.
so that our
Yes,
lecture should go smoothly. Then that students and other students felt like कि ये तो target है इस madam का. Okay. फिर because of the other students, that student also feels like कि yes madam मुझे ही हमेशा ऐसे torture करती है. फिर थोड़ा सा उसको bad feelings आने लगता है. But when that same student pass out and comes as an alumni to our college and meets us, and after that he said कि madam सच्ची में we miss you. We miss our class, we miss our college. और वो same student जो पहले सोचता है कि we are villain for them, after when he comes as an alumni, he or she comes as an alumni and looks to us as a hero, that is the proud moment for all of us. And I'm very fortunate enough that most of the alumni are in touch with me. They call me still. So every time our student wish us, every time when we see our student progress, they do well in their life, they are settled in their life, that every moment is a proud moment for all of us.
Thank you, Shital ma'am. Means this answer was really heart touching. We students also want that we should progress in our life ahead. Okay.
Yes.
So yes.
I agree. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So my next question is, how was your experience of teaching in this pandemic situation? We know, ma'am, ये जो situation थी वो आपके लिए बहुत नई थी, या सर आपके लिए बहुत नई थी, जो टेक्नोलॉजी अभी तक अवेलेबल नहीं थी. So just I want to know your experience. What was your experience in this pandemic?
Actually, the teaching in this pandemic is learning for all of us. So we are teaching with learning.
Okay, great, ma'am. So,
The
ma'am,
others will also answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Harsha sir, I'd
Anyone
like you to answer this question.
Okay. एक इसके पहले के क्वेश्चन का जो शीतल मैम ने आंसर दिया एंड स्पेशली व्हाट मंजूषा मैम सेड, प्रिंसिपल मैम, वो मेरा भी थोड़ा ओपिनियन है कि वी आर रियली मिसिंग यू. द लाइव इंटरेक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड सेकंड, पैंडेमिक का तो जैसे मैम ने बोला, रियली वी आर लर्निंग, बिकॉज एज अ टीचर्स वी नेवर वर्क सो मच ऑनलाइन. नेवर मीन्स हाथ में मोबाइल है और सामने स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं, तो वो थोड़ा सा नया एक्सपीरियंस था. बट I think almost all of us have tried. And secondly, I would like to जो best moment का आपने पूछा था, so जो student pass होते हैं वो तो है ही, हमें अच्छा ही लगता है. But every subject has a core, every idea has something core. So मेरे लिए best moment वो होता है कि like when I teach structural subjects, so I always think the student must get the conceptual part of it. तो बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि दे आर गुड एट न्यूमेरिकल्स एंड ऑल, बट आई थिंक दे आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट कंसेप्ट. और कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि some students really get the things which I'm teaching in the class. They understand the core of that subject. So that gives me very, very, high amount of pleasure. And I hope that such pleasures should always come. So when they really understand the subject, then that gives me a really proud moment. हमने teaching किया उनको समझ में आया. And pandemic का तो ऐसे ही है. It's a learning. Still we are learning. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Madhukar Sorte sir, would you like to answer the question? Madhukar sir.
Yes. Really, I can say this pandemic condition is help teachers for his or her holistic development. हर तरह की हमारी डेवलपमेंट हो गई है. ऑनलाइन टीचिंग हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि हमें ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. जो क्लासरूम टीचिंग, चाइल्ड स्टडी में जो मजा है वो ऑनलाइन में नहीं है. We miss you dear students. क्लास में जाके जो टीचिंग करना है, बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्शन करना है, वो जो एंजॉयमेंट है टीचिंग लर्निंग में वो नहीं है अभी. मतलब वी आर मिसिंग वेरी मच. सोच रहे हैं कि कब कॉलेज जाए, कब लोग आ जाए, आपके साथ बात करें. इंटरेक्शन जो होता है बच्चों के साथ स्टूडेंट का वो बिल्कुल नहीं है और हम लोग वो उसको इतना मिस करे. I'm not enjoying the online teaching learning method. I'm waiting for to be in the class, interact with you, interact with all the faculty, all the students. और ये जो NSS टीम ने जो कुछ किया है, टीम कर रही है, वो क्या बोलते हैं, वो महसूस करने के लिए आपके साथ, आपके सामने आना जरूरी है. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you all the faculty members for all your lovely responses. We are glad to hear it from you.
Okay.
So next we have Nikita, who is going to express a teacher's feeling towards their students in form of a song. Nikita?
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Go ahead.
Hello everyone. Good morning. This is Nikita Chavan from BE Mechanical. कुछ पाने की हो आस पास, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास. आशा है हर कोशिश में हो आर वार, कर दरियाओं को आर पार. आशा है तूफानों को चिर के मंजिलों को छीन ले. आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीद हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीद हंसे दिल की. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. उड़ जाए के तुझे अपने संग, तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो. पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ. आशाएं खिले दिल के, उम्मीद हंसे दिल के. अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. Thank you so much and happy Teachers Day to all my teachers.
Thank you, Nikita.
Thank you, Nikita. It was a lovely song. खूप छान. So next I request Sneha to please recite a poem for all our teachers.
नमस्कार, मी स्नेहा मनोहर सोलापुरे, NSS व्हॉलेंटियर. आपल्या आयुष्यात घडवण्यात जेवढे मोलाचे स्थान आई वडिलांचे आहे, तेवढेच आणि त्याच पद्धतीने मोलाचे स्थान हे आपल्या शिक्षकांचे देखील आहे. तर आज शिक्षक दिनानिमित्त मी माझ्या शिक्षकांप्रती असलेल्या भावना मांडण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे. गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णू गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा, गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. शिक्षक आकाशात एखादं पाखरू उंच भरारी घेऊन उडत असतं. खालून पाहणाऱ्या आपल्यासारख्यांना त्याचं आणि त्याच्या उडण्याचं फार अप्रूप. एवढं की जर मला उडता येत असतं तर, या जर तरच्या कल्पनेत आपण इतकं मग्न होऊन जातो की ते पाखरं उंच उडत असतं, त्या पंखांमध्ये हजारो हॉर्स पॉवरचं बळ घेऊन. त्याच्या पंखांनी उंच भरारी घेण्यासाठी जी मेहनत घेतलेली असते ती मेहनत आपल्याला घ्यायची नसते. माणसाला बोलता येतं, विचार करता येतं आणि विचारातून कृती करता येते आणि कृतीमधून स्वतःला घडवता येतं. हे घडवताना कोणीतरी घडवणारा कायम सोबत असावा लागतो. आपल्या वाकड्या तिकड्या पाऊलवाटा सरळ करून यशाचा चौपदरी हायवे दाखवणारी व्यक्ती माणसाला नेहमी आवश्यक असते. ज्ञानदान हे प्रत्येकाच्या नशिबी नसतं हो. ज्ञानदान हे प्रत्येकाच्या नशिबी नसतं हो. जे जे आपणाशी ठाऊक ते ते इतरांशी सांगावे, शहाणे करून सोडावे सकळ जन. असं म्हणतात, बाळ जन्माला आलं की 2 जीवांचा जन्म होतो. एक म्हणजे आई, दुसरे म्हणजे बाबा. कळतं पण वळत नाही आणि वळलेलं सापडत नाही. अशी गत जेव्हा होते तेव्हा देव होऊन येतो, तो म्हणजे शिक्षक, गुरु. शिक्षक म्हणजे तासनतास घसा कोरडा ठेवून ज्ञानगंगेच्या पाण्याने विद्यार्थ्यांची तहान मिटवणारा वाटाड्या. शिक्षक म्हणजे पढायला लावणारा, पडल्यावर धडपडायला लावणारा, धडपडल्यावर घडायला लावणारा असा हाडामासाचा मूर्तिकार. उडायचं कसं, लढायचं कसं हे शिकवणाऱ्या सर्व शिक्षकांना माझा मानाचा मुजरा. धन्यवाद.
मस्त
थँक्यू
मस्त.
स्नेहा, तुझी कविता खरंच खूप छान झाली अँड आय एम शुअर सगळ्या टीचर्सला पण आवडली असेल. So next we have Ketan Pawar to sing a song named Teachers for All Our Teachers. Ketan?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Ketan Pawar. हाँ जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह पर बने अभी. हाँ जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह पर बने अभी. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही. मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नहीं पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान. मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नहीं पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान. दूर उस गगन में ही उड़ते गाते तराने हम सुनाने गुनगुना दे. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Ketan. It was a lovely song. And I'm sure की आपले सगळे टीचर्स आपल्या आयुष्यात खूप मोठा रोल प्ले करतात. So we, the NSS unit of SCOE, have prepared a small tribute for all our beloved teachers.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः, गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
नमस्ते. आज शिक्षक दिवस यानी कि टीचर्स डे है, जो हर साल भारत में 5 सितंबर को मनाया जाता है. गुरु शिष्य परंपरा भारत की संस्कृति का एक अहम और पवित्र हिस्सा है.
भले ही हमारे जीवन में हमारे माता पिता की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता, क्योंकि हमारे जीवन के सबसे पहले गुरु हमारे माता पिता ही होते हैं, और हमारे जीवन के दूसरे गुरु शिक्षक होते हैं, क्योंकि शिक्षक ही हमें जीवन के सही मार्ग पर चलने का प्रोत्साहन देते हैं.
शिक्षा किसी एक प्रकार की नहीं होती। जब भी हम कुछ नया सीखते हैं तो उसे शिक्षा कहते हैं और जो हमें सिखाते हैं उन्हें हम शिक्षक कहते हैं।
एक शिक्षक का हमारे समाज में होना बहुत ही जरूरी है और ये सिर्फ आज की बात नहीं है। शिक्षकों का महत्व सदियों से हमारे संस्कृति में बताया गया है।
फिर चाहे गुरु द्रोणाचार्य हो या आज के हमारे शिक्षक, शिक्षा के प्रकार बदले लेकिन शिक्षा का महत्व नहीं।
जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, आज हम सब पर कोरोना यानी कोविड-19 की वजह से संकट आ गया है। इस संकट के कारण हम सब अपने अपने घरों में कैद हैं।
इस समस्या में हमारे पुलिस अफसर, डॉक्टर हमारी सेवा में दिन रात लगे हुए हैं, लेकिन कोई और भी है जो इस महामारी के संकट में दिन रात काम कर रहे हैं और वो है हमारे शिक्षक।
जी हाँ, भले ही स्कूल कॉलेजेस बंद हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हमारे शिक्षक आज भी मेहनत करके हम सबको ऑनलाइन पढ़ा रहे हैं।
कई शिक्षक ऐसे हैं जिन्हें ऑनलाइन ऐप्स के बारे में ज़्यादा मालूम नहीं था, लेकिन फिर भी वो लोग खुद सीखकर हमें सिखा रहे हैं।
उन्होंने भी कभी ऐसे ऑनलाइन नहीं सिखाया है, लेकिन फिर भी वो अपनी तरफ से पूरी मेहनत कर रहे हैं ताकि हम विद्यार्थियों को कोई मुश्किल ना हो।
पर इस सब के बावजूद हम शिक्षकों को उतना महत्व नहीं देते जिसके वो हकदार हैं।
जितना पुलिस अफसर, डॉक्टर स्तुति के काबिल है, उतना ही या उससे कई ज्यादा हमारे शिक्षक प्रशंसा के काबिल है। उन सबको शिक्षा देने का अमूल्य कार्य इन्हीं शिक्षकों ने किया है।
देखा जाए तो हमारे शिक्षक भी किसी कोविड योद्धा से कम नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी वो हमसे किसी भी प्रकार की प्रशंसा की अपेक्षा नहीं करते। उनके लिए उनके छात्रों की सफलता मतलब उनकी सफलता है।
पर बदले में हम क्या करते हैं? आजकल एक शिक्षक को जो मान सम्मान मिलना चाहिए, क्या हम उन्हें वो दे रहे हैं?
एक जमाना था जहाँ अपने गुरु को गुरु दक्षिणा देने के लिए एकलव्य ने अपना अंगूठा काट दिया था, और एक आज का जमाना है जहाँ लोग शिक्षक बनना टालते हैं क्योंकि छात्र उन शिक्षकों की बात नहीं सुनते हैं।
हम भले ही आपको एकलव्य जैसा अंगूठा काट के तो नहीं दे सकते, लेकिन टीचर्स के लिए जो मान सम्मान चाहिए वो हम जरूर दे सकते हैं।
इसलिए इस शिक्षक दिन हम ये तय करते हैं कि हम हमारे शिक्षकों का आदर करेंगे और उनकी कही हर बात सुनकर हम उस पर मेहनत करेंगे।
Happy Teachers Day.
I am sure you must have all loved this small tribute video from us. सो आजच्या आपल्या या इव्हेंट बद्दल कोणाला काही प्रतिक्रिया और व्ह्यूज द्यायचे असतील, प्रिन्सिपल मॅम, HODs और एनी ऑफ द फॅकल्टी, यू कैन प्लीज शेअर विथ अस.
I will start with myself. It was wonderful video. It was heart touching, and I really got emotional. And it was a wonderful collection of pictures. I enjoyed watching the pictures also. And yes, one thing, as you question what we miss while teaching online. So I personally, when I teach, I miss the facial expression that we receive in the actual classroom, whether you understood the topic or not. That we don't get when we teach online.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks for this celebration.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Any of other faculty want to tell how was today's event or how was today's
मला
day?
खूप आवडेल तुमचा व्ह्यूज किंवा प्रतिक्रिया ऐकायला.
सो वन बाय वन पहिले मी सोरटी सरांना अप्रोच करतो. सोरटी सर, 2 शब्द आजच्या इव्हेंट बद्दल जो आपण केला.
प्रथम
Sir, you
Yes,
are
I
mute.
think.
Sorte sir,
Sir.
you are mute. Sorte sir, mute आहे.
ओके.
सर्वांना गुड मॉर्निंग. सर्व
Good
माझ्या
morning.
प्राध्यापक मित्रांना, सहकाऱ्यांना शिक्षक दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. NSS टीम नेहमीच उत्तम करत असते. हा जो प्रोग्राम तुम्ही ऑर्गनाइज केलेला आहे अतिशय उत्तमपणे तुम्ही हाताळला आहे आणि खूप छान वाटलं. मिस
Thank you,
केलं नाही असं नाही, पण मी हा कार्यक्रम खूप एन्जॉय केला. शिक्षक दिनाच्या निमित्त थोडंसं पाठीमागं जावं लागतं. भरपूर शिक्षकांच्या आठवणी येतात, भरपूर सरकाराच्या आठवणी येतात, भरपूर मुलांच्या आठवणी येतात. एक गोष्ट नक्की आहे की शिक्षक दिन हा फक्त शिक्षकांच्यासाठी नसून हा विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी सुद्धा असतो. एवढीच एक मनामध्ये एक अपेक्षा असते आणि ती पूर्ण व्हावी. मुलांनाही, जे मुलं पासआउट झालेले आहेत त्यांनीही शिक्षक दिनाची आठवण काढावी, शिक्षकांना आठवावं. जसं आम्ही आठवतो आमच्या शिक्षकांना, तर तसं मुलांनीही शिक्षकांना आठवावं, एवढीच एक अपेक्षा आहे. खूप छान कार्यक्रम केला तुम्ही. धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू सर. खूप छान वाटलं तुमचं प्रतिक्रिया ऐकून. सोमानी मॅम, पूजा सोमानी मॅम, रोशनी डॉन मॅम, वुड यू लाईक टू से अ फ्यू वर्ड्स?
Good morning, Principal Madam and all teachers who are attending this event, and also my dear students. NSS unit has, as always, it has marked its significance in making this day special. As always, NSS unit, it just leave behind one signature style. Like that, you have once again celebrated this. And very true, after this monotonous 5.5 months of lockdown, we are made realize that how important we are. So that is really very touchy. Thank you, dear all. We really miss you. We really love you all. And be safe, stay at home. And as one just small thing, as you must have felt today how important it is to switch on videos during any online session. So,
Yes.
so I hope you have understood this now, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Thank you once again.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And sorry, next lecture we'll keep our videos on.
It's not sorry, but practical. This is how practical teaches.
Roshni ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, students. It was a wonderful program. Very nice to all of you. You have, even in this situation, you have made such wonderful videos. And thanks even to the students who have recited poems, who sung songs for all of us. So all these 4-5 months, even we were in a very different situation. Everything got changed. So today I felt very nice listening to your poems and all these programs. So thanks a lot. Happy Teachers Day to all my colleagues, and it is nice to see everyone together today. Many of the teachers we haven't met only even in the Zoom sessions we haven't met in this last 4 or 5 months. So very happy to see everyone together, and thanks NSS team for arranging this program. Thank you Sunita ma'am, thank you all the students, and happy Teachers Day to all my colleagues again, and have a nice day students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So any other faculty wanna express his feelings today? Any other faculty?
Vaishali ma'am, you want to speak something? Vaishali madam.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, ma'am. You're audible.
This question I always ask whenever I conduct online lecture, because we all know real situation. Everyone switch off their videos, and whenever we ask question, after 1 or 2 minutes we got a reply. But I'm really very happy to see you all. Everyone is switched on their videos, and I am able to see my colleagues and all my dear students. Your smiling faces really, we are feeling very good by looking to your all students' smiling faces. So it's very good initiative taken by NSS. As usual, they are very active. A very wonderful session, and we people are really happy to meet online and attend this very beautiful session. Thank you so much, students. Keep it up. जैसे आज आपने वीडियोस ऑन करके hope in next lectures also similar kind of response we get. We very happy when we see your faces. See, so आप कभी वीडियो आप मत करना, always keep videos on. Then we get a feel कि yes, we are interacting with each other, we are in touch with our students. That feeling we get when videos are on. So it is a request from our side, and really wonderful session, wonderful videos. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Any other faculty member would like to say something? So, as they say, a leader is the one that knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. You teachers have been our leaders. There is no amount of thank you or appreciation that can compensate the amount of hard work, patience, and effort you all have put in us. We hope this small e-celebration has made your day a bit more special.
Sure.
Lastly, thank you our beloved PO, Sunita ma'am, for your guidance and support. Sunita ma'am, would you like to speak a few words about today's event?
Thank you all, respected principal madam, and all my dear faculty members, teachers, and the students, my senior colleagues. See, I just pour the idea, and the execution is on your hand. So just that you have done very well in a short of span also. Whenever something clicks on my mind, I just pour to you, and you give a good example like this. So thank you very much for taking the idea and executing it. And I just hope we will be doing such events in coming time also. But we wish कि this online जो चल रहा है वो कम हो जाए और हम face to face मिलें, वो ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा. So we are hoping and cross our fingers कि things get well, and हम जल्दी से मिलें. Online की जगह हम face to face मिलेंगे, और actually NSS का जो role है on road वो हम जल्दी से play करें. And thank you ma'am for joining us. And thank you everybody, all the faculties, all the teachers. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart to making, because अगर आपकी presence थी तभी ये event success हुआ. Otherwise तो हम we are expecting if 15 will join, 10 will join, but seeing everybody has joined, we really feel that this event is okay. We have done our level. We have tried our level best to make this event happen.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And a happy Teachers' Day to everyone.
Happy Teachers' Day to everybody.
Happy
And please
Teachers' Day to
pardon us
everyone.
Thank
if
you.
we have done anything, we have gone anywhere wrong, then please pardon us, because the online things are like this only.
No, it was all wonderful. You need not to apologize for anything.
Yeah, madam. Madam, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all.
There should be one photo session. All of you open your videos.
Okay. Yes,
Why
sir.
not take the prints? All of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. So that is me, Akanksha Mane, and Rohit Goge, your host for today, signing off. Stay safe, stay home, be happy. Thank you, and a happy Teachers' Day to everyone. once
Everyone
again.
again.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.